Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Stage Manager on iPadAir 13 2026. To enable this feature, you have to open Settings, then in Settings, scroll down the sidebar until you reach Multitasking and Gestures, open this menu, and enable Stage Manager. The Stage Manager will allow you to drag the corner of the application to make it smaller and put it in the window. You can resize, reshape it, you can place many different windows at once on your screen, then you can easily switch between applications you have running in the background by selecting one application from the list on the left side. You can minimize windows, you can put them on full screen, you can put many different apps on your screen at the same time. You can split your screen, and you can adjust the size of each window you have opened on your iPad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.